Alright, so to activate the pump for the first time, you're going to see down here that we have pressure at 0. So this is the main feed. This is the line that comes in from the tank. It's underground and comes up through here. And of course there's no water in there yet. So we come over here. This is what regulates your pump. So it's set to a maximum of 50 pounds, and then if it drops below 25, it'll automatically shut off. And when this is down, or in this position, it's on auto, and that's the safety position. You can manually turn the pump on by just lifting this up a little bit. And so the pump will turn on, and we'll go probably, should stop at 50 pounds. So there's pressurized water, or the lines are pressurized up to the tops of these, and these are all the regulators for each zone, and there's 7 zones. And you control the sprinklers, so once they're pressurized, you go to the control panel, or the control box. Let's see, I gotta open it. And there are instructions here on how to change the different settings. I currently have it set at 20-minute intervals for each zone in the evening. And I think they're supposed to start about 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening. So it's currently off. So if I turn it to auto or on, then of course right now it's 6:30, so we're already past. So tomorrow at 6 they'll come on. You can manually, I'll show you how to manually test one of the zones if you want to run an extra zone. You just push manual here, and then you go to enter, and it'll click the first zone. So you hear it, it releases the water, and then drops the pressure down, and then it automatically kicks on. And it should run about 40 pounds. That's what they're set to do. And so the first zone, come outside. Runs the first zone right along the road. And you can see the sprinklers have come up. And it takes a couple minutes for the whole lines to come up to pressure. Anyway, you can see that, and they run all the way down along the road to the mailbox, basically. And each zone contains about 12 sprinklers. Some have more, some have less, depending on the size of the nozzle, but they all are set to run 40 pounds each for each zone.